Hello everyone, welcome back to Harper's Chic. Today I have a special treat for us. Let's make chocolate mousse with Aquafaba. My inner fat child and my inner PMS frenemy rejoices. Trust me, you'll not be disappointed. So let's get started. While trying to incorporate more chickpeas into my life, I learned that you could actually use chickpea water or aquafaba for whipped desserts that usually call for egg whites. Isn't that insane? Google it. So why aquafaba? Why more plant-based foods? And why so many substitutions in my recipes? Well, I'm on a slow journey to find happiness. And for my physical body, that means exercising and staying in shape without having an unhealthy relationship with food. And sometimes my brain wants a sweet treat. But that sweet treat doesn't necessarily have to be something that makes me feel so guilty that it takes away the pleasure completely, or that I have to go on an extra run the next day. So however lame the substitutions might look, it makes me happy, and so here we are. And it tastes good, I swear. They say a healthy body is a happy body, so give it a try. was it? Wasn't it so good? Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harper's Chic. Stay chic and healthy.